Alright guys, disengaging the electronic rear brake so you could do your brakes. I have like a little manual here, so let's see if we can get it going. Okay, first thing says set the ignition to on, so just turn this. Don't turn the engine on, just your lights. Alright, then it says press and hold the accelerator pedal and place the brake switch to the release, the downward position. So I'm pushing down my gas pedal. I'm going to push this down, okay, and hold it. Continue to hold. Now set the ignition off and then back on within 5 seconds. So again, not the engine on, just the ignition. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's see. Alright guys, so I turned it off and then I turned it back on. Just the ignition, not the engine. Sorry, my freaking camera turned off right when I was doing it, but it went ahead and did it. The brake light will flash, it'll go beep, 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 and then you'll hear some chimes. And then also, it'll say park brake maintenance mode. It'll just flash that. And, yeah, so I'm good to go. So, with this on, you still have to compress the piston with a tool, according to these instructions. And then you push it in with a tool. It doesn't like retract it for you, and then you could do all your work, and then you got to deactivate it. And deactivation is the exact same process, except instead of holding this down, you would hold the button up. So you would hold the accelerator pedal down, hold this button up, the brake button, and then what you would do is you would turn your accessories off, and then within 5 seconds you turn them back on, and then it should go back to regular mode. Alright, hope that helped.